Ali Sayyed. Uh, Dr. Shakir Ali Sayyed is a gold medalist in graduation and post graduation and topper in his doctorate degree, also net qualified. Under his contribution, more than 38 research papers and short research papers in reputed national and international journals, with five books got published. He is having more than 27 years of experience in the field of uh, frontline extension. He has started his career as a research associated and got selected as a subject matter specialist at the KVK Solapur, where he served for more than 13.3 years, while working as a SMS. In addition to the mandatory activities, he had done excellent work in pertaining to the biological control of papaya, millibug, white woolly aphid, management of sugarcane, BBD in pomegranate, and others. With the help of this, he developed and used the effective extension methodology through group dynamics. He served for nearly 7 years, 6.9 years, as a senior scientist and head at India's number one model and high-tech KVK, that is KVK Baramati, Maharashtra. There he had handled different national and international projects as head and principal investigator, and done research based extension for transferring latest agriculture technologies directly at the grassroots level. On one of his main contribution and achievement is Kushak live demo and Agri Expo, which is India's biggest live demo and Agri Expo on the line of technological week of five, of which five editions was organized under his great leadership from 2015 to 20. The aim of this Krushak is to provide the common platform for farmers, manufacturers, suppliers, and those involved in agriculture and allied sectors, showing exhibition across 110 acres visited by lakhs of farmers since its inception. As per the international level is concerned, his leadership as a project head, India's first Endo-Dutch project, that is Center of Excellence for Vegetable, was established and running successfully at the KVK Baramati, which is now authorized training center for the EDP training of the NHM Gurgaon. In addition to this, he has developed the various projects such as a tissue culture lab, fishery unit, vegetable and fruit plant nursery, seed processing, and list continues. So on. He has developed the innovative extension methodology for reaching to unreached, which help to provide the latest technologies to the lakhs of farmers. Development of FPOs, farmers, SHGs, and providing dyes for marketing of the agri and allied produce. Under his leadership, KVK Baramati got international, national, and zonal awards with the recognition from various agencies, which is the best model for having convergence with the different agencies. After this, he has worked at YFA KVK Mehboob Nagar first for 1.5 years, where he has handled different projects as a principal investigator and done research-based extension for transferring latest agriculture technologies at the grassroots level through TRA and FLDs as per the need identified and the capacity building. He also worked as a senior scientist and head at the Krishi Vigyan Kendra Gondia under PDKV Akula for 2 years. He had made the great contribution in the crop diversification of the safflower after paddy in paddy dominated districts, and done value chain management in safflower and turmeric. He adopted the different concepts such as a model village concept, farmer scientist forum, cell counter, development of FPOs, use of ITC for reaching the unreached. At present, he is working as a principal scientist at ICR Atari Zone 8 and handling, monitoring 82 KVKs from Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Goa. Presently, he is working, he is the course director of this 21 days FDP program. So, sir, with this brief introduction, I would like to welcome you and guide the participants of this particular program.
Thank you so much, Dr. Dhiresh Shinde. सभी को नमस्कार. Good afternoon to everyone. Myself, Dr. Sayesh Shakiravi. Now you have seen my short CV also. I am having experience of KVK, and now I'm working as a principal scientist. I am also the course director for this 21 days faculty development program. So today my topic is how to develop model and ideal KVK for reaching to Unreached. So everybody knows that there are so many KVKs, but here I can see that more than 110 participants they have joined, and they are from all over India. They are from different universities, KVKs, ICR institutes, and other institutes also. So first of all, I will take some overview about the Atari. So I think all of you are well known about the Atari. This is Agriculture Technology Application Research Institute, and in India, under the ICR, the ICR doing three type of work. One is the research work, second is the education work, and third is the extension work. Education is through all the agriculture universities and ICR institute, and different institutes are there for different crops, which they are developing different technology. And for transferring this technology, there are Krishi Vigyan Kendras. There are more than 731 Krishi Vigyan Kendras all over India. Recently, now there are 731 KVKs. So for monitoring all these KVK, ICR has established near about 11 Ataris across the country for monitoring, reviewing, and coordinating the KVK system. So you can see that our division is headed by Deputy Director General of Agriculture Extension, and supported by two ADGs, then 4 principal scientists, 2 directors, and under secretary monitor the review of the KVKs as well as the Ataris. So earlier there were only the 8 Ataris were there. But since 2017, this Pune, Guwahati, and Patna, these 3 Ataris has been established. And now this Atari, earlier it was known as the Zonal Project Directorate, or in 1979 it is known as Zonal Coordination Unit. And now again, it was upgraded as the Agriculture Technology Application Research Institute in 2015. And this Pune Atari is taking care of 82 KVKs from Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Goa. You can see the organizational setup is there, in which you can see the DG. Under DG, there are different DDGs, and under different DDGs, you can see Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Goa. Total 82 KVKs, 50 from Maharashtra, 30 from Gujarat, and 2 from Goa. And this KVK are not only run by the ICR, but it is also run by the SAUs, NGOs, other universities, then DUs, then also some public sector undertaking. A state agriculture department has also taken this KVKs. So what is the mandate of Atari? We are coordinating all the frontier and extension activity, and we are strengthening the agriculture extension research and knowledge management. Our major activities, we are monitoring, reviewing, planning of the KVK activities. We are also providing the financial support to the KVKs. And we are also coordinating with SAUs, ICR, line departments, voluntary organization zone for implementation of KVK and its mandatory activities. So you can see the network of the KVK in our zone. You can see 82 KVKs, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Goa. Then these are the hosts, because the KVK are not from the same host. They are from SAUs, NGOs, ICR, DUs, OUs, and SDA. The state department, state agriculture department. So this is how the front line demonstration work. You all, everybody knows there is a National Agriculture and Research System. National Agriculture Research System is giving different research and technologies to us, and KVKs, they are assessing, and before these mandates, they are also sometimes they are refining, giving demonstration, and through extension system, we are directly providing this technology to the farmers. So we have the bridges between the research system and the farmers. So we have the base for the transferring the technologies. But you know that we have completed 50 years of our journey in KVK. First KVK was established in 21st of March 1974. And now we have completed 50 years and we are celebrating the Golden Jubilee. So you can see the changes in the mandate. The change in 1974, the mandate of KVK was only vocational training. Again, in 1987, it was on-farm testing. Then in 1997, it was technology assessment and refinement. Then from 2015, it was technology assessment, demonstrations, and capacity development. And now, again, the mandates have been changed. And the mandate of KVK is single window knowledge, resource, and capacity development. This is now the recent mandate of KVK. So you can see the vision of KVK. What is the vision of KVK? Science and technology-led growth leading to enhance the productivity, the profitability, and sustainability of agriculture. And what is the mission of this Krishi Vignan Kendra? Is a farmer-centric growth in agriculture and allied sector through application of appropriate technology in specific agro ecosystem perspectives. So now, as you know, that the mandates has been changed. So mandate is single window agriculture knowledge, resource, and capacity development center. So if you are going in any interview for the KVK, they are asking the question that what is the mandate of KVK? So now you have to give the answer as the single window agriculture knowledge, resource, and capacity development center. So you can see the 731 KVKs, out of which SAUs have 509 KVKs, ICS 66, NGO 101, state government 38, public sector undertaking 2, and likewise this total 731 KVKs we have. Now you know that KVK you are now you are having knowledge about Atari and knowledge about the KVK. But how to develop a KVK? Because so many KVKs are there. But even the senior scientist had and the SMS of that they don't know how to develop a model KVK, because in future we are also assessing the different KVKs and we are giving rankings to the KVK. And for the model KVK, some of the things which are required, on the basis of that you can get the marks and you can get the weightage, so that you can get this KVK under green or either orange or red zone. Green zone is the KVK is good, orange is you need some changes, and red means your KVK is not good. Like that we are giving this rating to the KVKs. So for any KVK, for model KVK, under administrative things, we need this ethic facility center, audiovisual room, ICT labs, and CRS. So already when any KVK has been established by either university or NGO, in the front when you are entering from the gate, you should have to show in the attic. What is attic? It is Agriculture Technology Information Center, in which you have to show. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Is there any problem?
We are listening, sir. No.
It's okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, what is ATIC? Agriculture Technology Information Center, where you have to showcase all the available technology of your region, means of your district, so that when farmer is coming to KVK, he should know about first what is KVK, what is the mandate of KVK, and what are the crops, and what are the technologies available in the form of either charts or display boards like that. Then facility center. You should have one center where you can make available the seed, the inputs, the technology, the pamphlets, booklets, everything can be made available so that the farmers can get all the information from the single window. Then audio-visual room. After the corona, after the COVID-19, it is very important that we should have audio-visual room and video conferencing room for providing the good quality trainings to the farmers, because most of the farmers now are in need of very good training, especially the entrepreneurship development trainings and ICT labs, because now you can see that even computers are very, very much essential, because even this 21 days training program we are conducting online. So ICT lab, or at least 2-3 computers with internet connection and the video conferencing required in the KVK system, and if possible, then community ready state for reaching to Unreached. They can get the KVK can submit the project, and they can get the CRS also, so that reaching to the Unreached persons. Then pertaining to self-sustaining of the KVK, because even establishment of any KVK, 20 hectare land is required. 20 hectare means 50-acre land is required. In the 15-acre, what ICR is telling that you should have to be self-sustained in all the respect, so that even though if there is a deficit in the funds, you can self-sustain. You can provide the salaries to the laborers and other staff also. For that purpose, you should have live demonstration, you should have seed production, you should have nursery, IFS model. Accordingly, region by region, it can change. It can be changed. You can change all these things, but according to your region. Because generally, I have taken it for the zone 8 zone. Because generally, all this type of units are available in our zone. So you can see nursery, IFS model will be there, irrigation system, custom hiring center, and pack house. So what is the need of live demonstration? In live demonstration, you have to demonstrate all types of agronomical crop, horticulture crop, medicinal crop, whichever crops are there, according to your district. If your district is a paddy dominating district, then you have to display different varieties of paddy. If your district is a horticulture dominating district, then you have to provide the horticulture demonstration like that. And seed production. So you can also have the seed production. You can take the breeder seed from the ICI institutes or university, and you can also provide the seeds to the farmer. Then nursery, because most of the farmers they are not getting the good quality seedlings and saplings of fruits and vegetables. So you can provide a good quality and saplings to the farmers. Then IFS model. Now this government is very much interested in doubling the farmers' income. What is the meaning of doubling the farmers' income? It is not that you have to increase the yield, because you have to include not only the monocropping but also the agri and allied enterprises, so that the farmers can get additional income and can double the income from that. Then irrigation systems, you can in dry area. The KVK where the rainfall is maximum rainfall, annual rainfall is less than 500, 300 mm. There you can demonstrate the drip irrigation system, subsurface irrigation system, automation like that. Then custom hiring center. Custom hiring center in which you can provide the machineries which are not available at the village level. So you can give it on rental basis to the farmers, so that you can also earn some revenue from that in the form of some fees, and you can increase your RF. And one pack house or threshing yard is also important. So out of this 5-6, you can take 3, 4, 5 like that. You can include. Then again, you can have the soil lab, bio lab, polyhouses, animal shed, fishery, mushroom, apiary, seed processing unit, and PhD labs. So why it is important? Because seed testing is very much important. Because even though farmers they are sowing the seeds, but they are not identifying that how much NPK and micronutrients are available in the soil. So soil testing lab is very much important. Even Government of India and government of different states, they are providing the soil health cards to the farmers. So accordingly, farmers will be able to identify how much fertilizer is required for the particular crop, and on the basis of that, farmers can give the this all fertilizers to the their crops whichever they are planting. Then plant health clinic and bio lab. If possible, you can establish plant health clinic also. You can establish biofertilizer lab, biopesticide lab. Yes, I know that CI is Central Insecticide Board license is required for biopesticide lab, but for biofertilizer lab, you can take the license from the State Department, and you can provide the azotobacter, azospirillum, PSP like that for fertilizer lab. Then under the protective irrigation, you can show the demo of polyhouses, the hydroponics, shed net tunnels, crop covers, polythene mulching, like that. Then in animal shed, animal is very important component of a IFS model, as well as it is very important component for doubling the farmers' income, such as the dairy. You have to give the latest technology regarding the dairy, poultry, poultry unit, silage production, use housing dairy farm, then fish unit if there is water is available and farmers are taking fish in the ponds, you can also promote the fish farming, hatchery, aquaculture, aquaponics, then apiary of mushrooms. You can also introduce the seed processing unit and post harvest lab. Even now, Government of India, they are now total staff of KVK is 16. But there is a proposal of increasing the staff because we have 6 SMS. And now ICR is in future they are providing 20 staff, in which they are adding 2 SMS. One for the post harvest technology person, SMS for EST or food processing, and second is for marketing. So these 2 SMS in future government will be adding in the KVK. So these subjects are very much important because there is a primary agriculture, means you are producing anything, that is a primary agriculture, but value addition to primary agriculture in secondary is the secondary agriculture. Secondary agriculture is very much important nowadays for getting the much more income. So okay. Then we have conducted, we have established the various units. Then for village development plan, there is natural resource management plan is there. Then livestock development is there. Then community development is there, and institutional intervention is there. So what is NRM? Natural resource management, soil and water conservation, agriculture, horticulture, and agroforestry. So in soil and water conservation, soil and management through soil testing and distribution of soil health cards. We can conduct the campaigns also. We can popularize the zero tillage system. We can do the rain harvesting by taking the help of some NGOs. We can promote the farm mechanization, research conservation techniques, some in situ soil moisture conservation techniques we can promote. Then suitable development of agriculture through green managing we can promote. We can improve, we can prepare the manure, we can prepare the compost and improvement by waste decomposer, and proportion of intercropping in various crop is also. So through soil and water under this topic, you can do all these things. So for the promotion of this soil testing, you can use the soil testing lab in Maharashtra. Government of Maharashtra and some district level, they have provided the soil testing lab. So this soil testing lab, they are going there in the one village or there, they are providing the services to the farmers. And one important agro ambulance, when I have worked at Baramati, so agro ambulance we have also started, and we have also done a collaboration with Indian Postal Department Services. So we have given to the Postal Department officials on behalf of KVK. They are collecting the soil sample. They are sending the soil sample to register post, and again we are testing the soil, and we are sending the report through speed post or register post. So in this way, farmers need not to come to the KVK. This postal department, they are also providing the services. So in likewise, you can reach to Unreached. You can because in KVK only 5-6 staffs are there. You can't reach to whole the district. So in that cases, you can take the services of the Indian Postal Department. They are also ready, because also they are also getting some service charges. So this type of collaboration you can do with the Indian Postal Department services also. Then for agriculture, you all know that you can productivity enhancement through cereals, oilseeds, and pulses by promoting CFL disc, cluster frontline demonstrations. Then popularization of quality seed production. Then IPM, IDM, INM, integrated weed management. Then popularization of IFS model, assessment and refinement of suitable technologies, custom hiring center. All are there in agriculture. So you can see the custom hiring center. In custom hiring center, you can provide so many things, because Atma is there, some companies are there, some CSR funds are also available. Some, even Atma, they are providing some funds for purchasing this implements. So you can converge with the Atma, you can converge with the other department, and you can establish this custom hiring center, and you can provide it on rental basis to farmers, especially the transplanter, then harvester, the machines which are bigger in size and which are costly, you can provide it to the custom hiring center. So under horticulture, you can promote so many things. You can promote first because nutrition garden is very much important. You all know about the nutrition garden because in the local area, the farmers only, some of the farmers, they are only eating either the rice or chutney or something like that. But after the introduction of the nutritional garden, even the farm women, they are producing their own vegetables and they are utilizing in their own daily routine meals also. Then promotion of horticulture, because if you want more money, then horticulture crops are very much important. IFS system is very much important. Then some crop covers are there, polytunnels are there, shed nets are there, high density mango plantation, guava plantation are there. Then value chain is very much important because this secondary agriculture is very much important. Only you have to produce is not important, but a value chain of the complete crop is very much important, and you can also earn the income through beekeeping, mushrooms, and other, and preservation of fruits and vegetables. You can see there the technology demonstration while in Baramati. So even though you can see in sugarcane we have planted this cabbage and cauliflower also, you can see the banana we are covering with the this cover bag so that it can be saved by the insects. So these are the all the horticultural crops. Then, as you know that at KVK Baramati, the India's first Indo-Dutch project we have established. The project also it is running, and it is one of the main center for EDP program of National Horticulture Board. So 21 days training programs through this center we are providing, and lots of the farmers, not only from this Maharashtra, but we have given trainings to the farmers from the Badgam district of Kashmir, then Lakshadweep, then Andaman Nicobar, then Haryana, Punjab, Kerala, then Karnataka, Assam. So from so many states, through the Center of Excellence of Vegetables, we have given the trainings to the farmers. So like the Center of Excellence, you can establish, if your NGO, if your university is very good, you can establish such type of Center of Excellence. The fund is available with MIDH, Mission for Integrated Development in Agriculture. So you can submit the project, and this Center of Excellence can also be established under the KVK. So this is also one of the part. Then under the livestock, which is very important component. So in the livestock, you can enhance the milk production. Then one is the loose housing dairy farm. Now the government is giving more priority to this cow, especially the indigenous cow, the natural farming through cow, and now silage making has become very important around, because some of the lectures have also been done by some of the faculty. They have given very good lecture on silage making, also on loose housing also. Then cattle, goats, you can also upgrade. Then vaccination is very much important. Then area specific mineral mixture, because in whatever you are giving to the animal, you are getting in the form of the milk. If you are giving the area specific mineral mixture to the animals, you are getting good quality milk, and also you can introduce and improve the fish farming also. So you can see the loose housing dairy farm. In this loose housing dairy farm, you can reduce the 50% labor, sugarcane trash as a bedding material, and increase the FI production by 40%. Then silage making, it is very easy. Either you can make the silage in the pits also, and you can make the silage in beds also. And round the year, you can get available the silage. This fodder is available. Green fodder is available for the cattle. Even in the dry areas, you can promote nearby the Pune area. Most of the villages farmers, they are doing all this silage making. So then community development and community insight management and seed production, you can establish SHGs, FPO. Now Government of India, they are establishing 10,000 FPOs. These FPOs are very much important. If you want to purchase any seed, if FPO is there, 500 members are there, then you can get the discount on the seeds. If you want to sell your produce, then through FPO you can sell, you can brand. So many things are there. Again in another slides, I will show you how FPO will be useful for getting much more income. So you can see there at Baramati, we have done the group dynamism and market gate extension. Then at that time, we have established the farmers club, then SHGs, self-help groups, commodity interest groups, then farmers producer company. So regarding the farmers producer company, one of the farmers producer company, the members, they are producing the vegetables. One agency, what we have done, one agency was there at Nagpur. They are providing the chops vegetables to the McDonald's and Pizza Huts. So we have collaborated with the FPO and that company, and we have signed a MOU. Now during 20 up to 2022. The farmers, they are supplying vegetables to that company, and that company is supplying to McDonald's and Pizza Hut, and these farmers are getting continuous market of their vegetables or of their produce. Like the Dhan Mahotsav and Food Grain Festival, we are organizing, and now the government of Maharashtra, they are organizing in all the district. In this, we are providing the space to all the farmers. The farmers are coming in the month of April with all their produce, especially the grains, cereals, pulses like that. They are coming, and vegetables, and they are selling directly to the consumers. So directly producers to the consumers, we are providing the services, like some centers near the Zilla Parishad, near the Panchayat Samiti. We have developed Shetkari Te, means farmers to consumer. Like that, we have developed some of the centers also. So like that, you can see. And from reaching to unreached, one important factor is that you know that KVKs are developing the master trainers. So we have given this master trainer name as a honorary training associate. What is the role of this honorary training associate? They are our master trainer. They are trained in the, so suppose beekeeping is there. So we have given training to that all the STAs, and on our behalf, they are giving trainings, they are providing services to the farmers. So in this way, only the 6 scientists can't reach to the complete district. So if you develop the honorary training associate through this HTAs, we can reach to unreached. So like that, at that time when I was in Baramati, we have developed 50 HTAs, and even some of the HTAs now they have become the very big entrepreneur, and their turnovers are more than 5 crores, 6 crores, 10 crores, like that. One Swati Shingade madam is there. She's having very good turnover, and she's supplying the organic produce to even she's exporting to Dubai and other places also. So then in institutional development, like the ATIC, Agriculture Technology Development Center, you can also develop village level ATIC. What is village level ATIC? You can see this village level ATIC. You can provide one computer, because under DPDC project, you can take this project also in village. You can take one room from the Gram Panchayat. In that room, you can display all the crops along with the technology, so that the farmers can get the single hand information. And you can also install some kiosks there. So through this kiosk, you can supply the information to the farmers, digital information to the farmers also. So you can converge, and this room will serve as a platform for State Agriculture Department officer, Atma, KVK, NGOs, and other line department to work together. You can have the library also in that. So this VITIC is also very important. We have developed more than 50 to 60 VITIC in our operational area. So how you can reach to unreached? So this is KVK Baramati. We have done there. So we have developed their app, then community registration was there, then some Madhu Sandesh app was there, Krishak app was there, then Facebook was there, WhatsApp was there, television, video conferencing, YouTube. And by using all this social media, whatever the technologies we are having, whatever the technology we are taking from the ICR and the SAUs, we are promoting, we are doing the front-end extension, and we are reaching to unreached. Through all this innovative technology, we are reaching to unreached. So one of the most important thing, that is KVK Baramati, they are organizing one Krishak. It is a now brand, because when I was working there, we have made a brand at Krishak, which is a live demo and agri expo. In this live demo, we are inviting all the government organizations, especially ICR Institute, SAUs. We are inviting private companies. we are inviting machinery companies, we are inviting even the animal husbandry department. And in all, in convergence with all, NABARD will be there, Atma will be there, State Agriculture Department will be there, Land Department will be there. So you can see we are showcasing the live technology in the form of crops, in the form of animals, in the form of machinery. So you know that in the extension system, there's a seeing is believing principle. If any farmer see, he can adopt. So you can see that more than 4 to 5 lakhs farmers all over Maharashtra and even from nearby 5 to 10 states they have visited. And so we have started this live demo and Agri Expo in 2015, and now it is continuously going on in 2025 during the month of January. Again, we are organizing, and if you get the opportunity, it is my request to please attend this live demo. You can get so many things. Even the AI, artificial intelligence, even the drones, everything, even hydroponics, aquaponics, so many things you can get. So now, as you know that the government is changing the mandate of the KVK, and we have signed, ICR has signed the MOU with so many companies, because if we work together, if government agencies, if private companies, if land departments and other departments, if work together, then we can achieve the common goal in agriculture and allied sector. Because suppose one poultry is there, one poultry farm is there, but private firm is having poultry farm, or private firm is having a big dairy farm, but a small farmer is not having, even the KVK is not having. But if we can have the public-private partnership, or some companies they are providing this crop cover, or some companies they are providing the crop paper, some companies they are providing the drip irrigation system. If we work with public-private partnership, then we will get the success in whatever we are transferring the technology. So you can see that in the extension services, KVK can partner with the private companies to extend their reach to farmers. So you can collaborate with a seed company, you can collaborate with a fertilizer company, you can collaborate with a, by taking the permission from the Atari and the ICR, because ICR is already signing the MOU with the private company. So whichever company is having the MOU, you can work with that company under KVK. Then you can take the seed production with the help of SAUs, and with the help of Mahabij, Maiko, Jindal, you can take the seed production. Then technology dissemination you can also do with the private technology. For example, KVK might partner with the machinery company, because machinery, most of the private company, they are the manufacturer. So you can have a PPP mode collaboration with the company, some harvester companies, some seed drill companies, some machine company, tractor company. You can disseminate the technology. So here you can see in this diagram, you can see if you can do all this type of convergence like that, you can provide a good residue-free produce to the consumer, and also the FPOs and farmers can get a good money from that. So technology partners, SEUs, ICR, seed company, fertilizer company, and these are our farmers, private company, FPOs, farmers group, NABARD, banks, etc. And finally, we are supplying all these things to the consumers. So on-farm testing, you can take, if some of the company, private company, they are having some pesticide, because pesticide ICR is not producing. So you can take some pesticide, whichever is label came, you can do the OFT. And after that OFT, if you are getting the good result, you can go for the demonstrations also. Then live demonstration, already I have explained you that Krishak type of exhibition. You can provide then single window. KVK can direct purchasing of seed, pesticide, fertilizer, and other materials by FPC, FPO. If you are providing help to the FPOs, so FPO can take the license from various company. They can have their service centers, and they can converge with the so many companies SAUs, and from that FPO service center, they can provide the seed, pesticide, which is on discount rate, which they can supply on discount rate also. Then CSR. Now the government is ICR is also permitting to take the CSR funds from the companies. Community social responsibility is there. CSR funds you can take at KVK level. Then you can establish the center of excellence. Then you can also develop the training modules by providing providing collaboration with big food industries, on-job trainings for RY, and developing training modules like that under the CSR activities also. Then soil health management campaign, you can take the help from the state department. Just Pani Foundation, Mr. Amir Khan is there. So Amir Khan is providing so much facility to this. So you can collaborate with this Pani Foundation. Then postal department is there. Then promotion of agri, horti. So many NGOs, they are working under watershed. So you can take the help of that. Then under TSP, that is tribal sub plan, you can work with the forest department for solar fencing, light fencing. For the wild animal, you can also work in the tribal area. So many NGOs are working in the tribal area. So under TSP, you can take the help of the NGOs also. Under scheduled caste sub plan, you can establish the custom hiring center. Under DPDC, you can also establish the custom hiring center. Then sugar industries are there. You can collaborate with the sugar industries, because sugar industries, they are providing direct market for the sugar. So you can collaborate. So farmers will get the very good rate for that. Then farmers associations are there. In Maharashtra, there are so many associations, Grape Grower Association, Pomegranate Association, with the help of which on PPP mode, we can take the help and we can go for getting the maximum income. Then under dairy, poultry, fishery sector, then NDDB is there, and MDB is there. So you can take the help of under food processing, you can take the help of SHGs, FPOs. For marketing, you can take the ICT base, big agro malls, you can take the help. And you can market linkage with the FPOs. You know, the Sayadri Farmers Producer Company, which is the one of the biggest company for FPO in Maharashtra, having turnover more than 1600 CR. So likewise, you can channelize that, and you can reach to Unreached. You can reach to so many people. You can reach to direct to consumers also. So IMD, now one project is also running, agro advisory project, Damu project is also running. So you can take the advisory, then NABARDs are there. So overall on PPP collaboration, and by developing this model KVK, having the various market linkages, we can effectively do the extension activity, this technical dissemination can be done, training programs can be done. And finally, all the sectors support sustainable agriculture development and improve the livelihoods of the farmer, which finally helps in reaching to Unreached. So because the staff is very less, you have to reach. So you have to converge with all the department. You have to work on the PP mode, and you have to develop a model KVK. And likewise, by using all the things, you can reach to the Unreached. So this is in short about my presentation. Thank you so much. Now it is open for discussion.
Any questions from participants?
If there is any question, you can ask me.
Any questions or from participants?